Hey space enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey through the cosmos. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just someone who loves to gaze up at the night sky, there's always something new and fascinating to learn about this incredible natural satellite. The Moon has been a source of wonder and mystery for humanity for millennia. From ancient myths and legends to modern scientific discoveries, it has always held a special place in our hearts and minds. So, let's embark on this lunar adventure and uncover some astonishing facts that you might not know about our moon. Let's get started. First up, did you know we only see one side of the moon? This might sound strange, but it's true. This phenomenon is called tidal locking, and it means the same side always faces Earth. Imagine spinning a ball on a string. The same part of the ball always faces you. That's essentially what's happening with the moon and Earth. The side we see is known as the near side, and it's the one that's familiar to us with its distinctive craters and maria, or lunar seas. But what about the other side? The far side, often called the dark side, gets sunlight too, but remains hidden from our view. This side is more rugged and cratered, and it wasn't until the space age that we got our first glimpses of it through spacecraft missions. Believe it or not, the moon is slowly shrinking. This might sound like science fiction, but it's a well-documented fact. As its core cools, it contracts, causing the surface to crack and form lunar cliffs called lobate scarps. These cliffs can be hundreds of meters high and stretch for several kilometers. This process has been going on for over 1 billion years. Imagine the moon's surface slowly changing over such an immense period of time. It's a reminder of the dynamic nature of celestial bodies. Just like Earth, the moon experiences quakes, called moonquakes. These aren't as intense as the earthquakes we experience here on Earth, but they're still quite fascinating. Moonquakes can be caused by several factors, including the gravitational pull from Earth, which creates tidal forces that flex the moon's crust. They can also be triggered by the cooling and contracting of the moon's interior. These quakes can last for quite a while, sometimes up to an hour, and they provide valuable information about the moon's internal structure. Scientists study moonquakes to understand more about the moon's geology and history. Speaking of history, did you know that the American flag left by Apollo 11 astronauts is still standing, but it has turned white? This is due to the harsh conditions on the moon. Without an atmosphere to protect it, the flag has been bleached by the harsh solar radiation. The intense ultraviolet light from the sun has stripped away the colors, leaving it a ghostly white. There are regions at the moon's poles that contain water ice. This discovery has huge implications for future lunar exploration. These permanently shadowed craters hold ice that could be vital for future lunar missions, providing water for astronauts and fuel for rockets. Imagine a future where lunar bases use this ice to sustain human life and support deep space missions. Studies suggest that the moon's phases might impact our sleep patterns. This might sound like an old wives' tale, but there's some scientific evidence to back it up. During a full moon, people tend to take longer to fall asleep and have shorter, less deep sleep. Researchers believe this could be due to the increased brightness of the night sky or even subtle gravitational effects. So the next time you're tossing and turning, you might have the moon to blame. It's fascinating to think that our celestial neighbor could have such a direct impact on our daily lives. If you enjoyed these fascinating lunar facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cosmic content. Your support helps us bring you more amazing space discoveries and insights. See you next time, space explorers. Keep looking up and stay curious about the wonders of the universe.